In this video, I am going to tell you how to enable lock screen sound. So welcome to another video of TechSoar. To hear lock screen sound, first you need to open your device settings. So open your device settings application. Now scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Scroll down, click on haptics and tones. And here is the option lock screen sound. Enable this, toggle this on. Now lock your screen and see, here is the voice of lock screen. Now unlock your screen and see, here is all unlock screen sound also. I will show you once again. Lock screen, unlock screen. So in this way you can turn on lock screen sound or enable lock screen sound. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechSoar.